Bifen and Talik can be effective for home pest control, but they carry environmental risks if used improperly. Bifen contains bifenthrin and Talik contains cyfluthrin, both synthetic pyrethroids that persist on soil and surfaces and are highly toxic to aquatic life and beneficial insects. Apply only to labeled target areas and measure product carefully with a dedicated measuring cup to avoid excess. Never estimate quantities by eye. Mix outdoors on a tray to catch spills and use a low-pressure sprayer set to a coarse spray to limit drift and fine droplets that travel. Do not apply before heavy rain or to saturated soil because runoff can carry residues into storm drains or streams, and avoid using irrigation for at least 24 hours after application so the product can settle where intended. Keep applications off blooms and flowering foliage between dawn and dusk to reduce harm to pollinators, and spot treat rather than blanket treat large landscape areas to reduce total chemical load. Pair chemical use with integrated pest management by sealing entry points, reducing standing water, removing food sources, and monitoring pest activity so treatments are less frequent and more targeted. The most common mistakes are over-application, spraying near water, and treating during pollinator activity. Over-application happens when people ignore label rates or apply repeatedly. Fix this by always following label directions, recording dates and amounts, and waiting the recommended reapplication interval. Spraying near ponds, streams, or drainage paths leads to aquatic toxicity. Stop runoff by applying only to dry, contained areas, leaving buffer zones of untreated soil, and using absorbent barriers like mulch between treated zones and water. Treating when pollinators are active damages bees and beneficial insects. Avoid spraying flowering plants and schedule treatments for late evening when bees are not foraging. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community where we discuss products, techniques, and trade-offs like chemical versus non-chemical control. Our site helps contractors find leads and lets homeowners share experiences and ask questions about safe, effective pest management.